Say.
Hi guys.
What are we making today?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes, that's right, for Mommy's birthday. So, to start off, we've got our cake mixture, and this says to start the oven at, say, 325.
225.
Have your parents heat the oven up to 325, okay? Got it. Okay, perfect. You take this, we're going to put that on here. Rotate it like this. Good. Push up. And then spin it. There we go. Good job. All right. Let me open it, and we're going to open up the cake mix. Right here. Good job. All right, get that cake mix out of there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's cake mix. Okay.
Oh,
Next, we need to have, how many eggs is this?
Orange.
How many eggs?
Yellow.
How many eggs do you see?
2, 3.
3 eggs. Okay, put them in. Ah. You almost got it all in the bowl.
Yeah, 2.
Then we need 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to help you this time so that we get it all in the bowl.
What's that? So cool.
That's so cool. All right.
Nomie.
Missing one thing.
Water.
Yeah, water.
Water.
We need 1 cup of water. Thank you, Mommy. It's her birthday, and apparently she wants her cupcakes to taste good.
Water.
That in there too. All right. Now, I'm gonna lock this in place, which it is. Can you grab this and just pull it halfway? One more. One more. There we go. We're gonna let that mix just for a few seconds. Then we gotta scrape the bowl down. Now let it mix a little bit more.
Okay,
Scrape the bowl down so we get all the dry ingredients in there. Sorry, I just elbowed you in the head, didn't I?
Yeah, missing the bump.
No bump. Okay.
Not it.
Okay. Can you turn it on again? Okay, now we should be good.
You want the ice on?
Okay, so the first thing we need to do now before we do anything with the cake batter is we have to put the liners in, right?
Oh.
All right, so now we need to get the cake mix into the cupcake pans.
Okay.
As yummy as it smells, don't eat it because it has raw egg in it.
Don't eat them.
Don't eat it because it's got raw egg in it. That's right. Okay.
Okay.
We've put the cake mix into a measuring cup so it's got a spout so we can pour it. Now we want to make sure we don't pour it all the way to the top. We want to pour it maybe just about halfway. This is where you're gonna want your parents to help you. All right, so now we gotta do the little liners. Little liners. All right, and now
We got the pour.
gotta pour more. All right, we got the mini cupcakes poured now, so let's throw those in real quick too. Okay, so now let's make some. Say it. What are we gonna make? Whipped cream, that's right. So first thing we want to do is make sure our bowl is nice and cold. So we put that in the fridge or the freezer. And this is actually very easy to make and one of Daddy's favorite recipes to make. So,
Milk.
heavy whipping cream. Can you say heavy whipping cream?
Heavy.
Heavy whipping cream. Okay, let's open it.
Oh.
Oh man.
Saturday.
Okay, we pour that all in here. We're gonna pour a whole
Oh, it's a raccoon.
container. It's heavy whipping cream. That's right. So this is like heavy milk.
Heavy milk.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So that's gonna be one full pint. What's this called? You know? Say whisk. You can say it. I'm telling you the word. You're supposed to say it out loud. Okay. All right. Let's put it on. Put it on right there. Twist it. Let it go. Okay. Let's bring this down. Lock it. And we want to whip this on high. High. So pull it.
Oh my! Stop!
Notice how it's starting to kind of thicken already. And once we get to a point where it's kind of stiff peaks, is where we're going to add our vanilla jello pudding. Instant. See how it's starting to kind of keep its shape? So if we do this and we lift it up, it should kind of stick to it. See how it's kind of sticky? Kind of creamy and stuff? Okay, so we're almost there. Keep it going. Okay, first,
There's a weight.
I'm going to add some green. Be very gentle. Little squeeze. 2. One more dot. Okay, well, 2 more dots. That'll work. Okay. 4 dots of green, and I dropped the lid. Whoopsies. Okay, I'll pick it up later. Now, watch.
Oh, what is that? I see.
Is it green? We now have some frosting.
I need it. Rice, I need the butter. See you time. Bye.
Okay, bye. So we've got this decorating bag, and we've put a star tip in it because I think that'd just be the funnest design for her. So I'm gonna take some of the frosting we made.
And we just kind of work the frosting down to the tip.
What happened, as you can see, it come out of the tip, just like that. So give it a twist on the top to try and keep the stuff from falling out. Okay, Nomie. And squeeze. Grab some of your decorations and put them on top. Is that it?
Yeah, it's all done.
It's all done?
All done.
Hey, you want to hold it up? So pretty. Okay, you ready to give it to Mommy?
Mommy.
FYI. But
Thank
You
you.
want to try it?
It's beautiful.
You want to try it?
Should we try it?
Here you go. Wait. Is it good?
Mmm. That is so good.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Thank
You
you.
gonna try it?
You want to
okay, try the cupcake.
Come here. Do you want to try a bite?
try it?
Have a bite. Is it yummy? Yeah, you did a great job. Thank you. Perfect birthday cupcakes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, Nomie. Say bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Say time.